It is Sunday, July 12th, and we're going to be having random sound effects. Now, thing I haven't told you about myself is, well, I'll go with probably the most pressing thing currently. I'm going to be having court here in a month or two to finally determine child support and the custody arrangements. I was engaged to Deacon's mom, and we've been apart for about a year. I've been paying her what I can, and to be honest, it sounds like it's been a bit more than I'm supposed to, but we'll find out how everything goes. The main change for both of us is it'll likely be put to a week-by-week schedule. So I'll begin in 1 week, and she'll have them the next week. It'll make working overnights child care will be kind of interesting, but I'll be able to work it out somehow. I always have. So that's about it this week. Can you say see you tomorrow, Mandy? Say see you tomorrow, Mandy. Well, we're camera shy. Later, everybody. Yeah, camera shy.
Shy.
See you tomorrow, Mandy.